Hey everyone, it's Jake with Northern Tesla, back with another video. My first video of 2021 actually. And today I will be reviewing and installing the white stock covers from Tesla Aftermarket Accessories Canada. Here's their logo. As you can see, it's the 2021 Roadster with maple leaf wheels. I absolutely love it. I believe they're based in Calgary, Alberta. Now, I'm not sponsored by them, but I am an affiliate of theirs. And so if you use my link in the description down below to buy these or anything else on their website, it really goes far to support the channel. So I would really appreciate it if you do like these stock covers or anything else on their website, use my link, it'll really help. The packaging is really nice, actually. It's a nice textured box with, you know, a foam insert to hold the white stock covers. Here they are. As you can see, they have all the information that's on the stocks already printed on them. It's actually not printed on them, it's painted on, but it's underneath the clear coat that's on top of these, so they won't rub off or chip off or anything. So this is what it looks like outside of the box. As you can see, it's perfectly molded to just slide over the stock. But yeah, it's a beautiful white. It has almost a bit of a pearlescence to it. Yeah, there's definitely a bit of pearlescence to it, so that's really nice. And I can already tell just from sitting here, it'll go perfect with the white seats and the white dash. Absolutely perfect. Okay, I've been fiddling around with a whole bunch of angles, and none of them seem to be working for these stocks. So, pardon me, but I'm gonna have to go handheld on this. But, okay, so here's the stock cover, right? So before you remove the backing to the adhesive, you just want to do a dry run just to make sure that they fit properly. And in my case, they fit perfectly. Let's test how easy it is to take off. Oh, that's super easy to take off too. Okay, that's good. That's really, really good. I'm very impressed with these. The fitment is absolutely perfect, and they look stunning with the white interior, of course. Okay, so now that I know they fit perfectly, we shall stick them on. So first, you want to make sure to dust off your stock covers, of course. And then once you're done dusting off, you can just peel back this little red tape. It's a little awkward for me since I have big fingers, but if you just use your nail, it'll eventually just peel off like that. Okay, so there we have it. The adhesive is exposed and we're ready to stick it on. Beautiful. The adhesive is on the top once you install it, so make sure you put pressure on the top of the stock, just like this. And there you have it. They're both installed. Okay, so those were the TAAC, or Tesla Aftermarket Accessories Canada, white stock covers. I'm going to drive around for a while and test them out, see how they hold up, and then I'll get back to you with my honest opinion. Okay, so it's been a few weeks now. I actually planned on recording this sooner, but I lost traction on ice, and long story short, I hit a fence, so I had to bring my car in to get repaired. But anyway, back to the point, the white stock covers, they've survived just about a month in freezing temperatures. They've stuck on there very well. They aren't going anywhere. They survived through body shop repairs. Yeah, they look great. They still feel great. They haven't yellowed. I know some things that are white do that sometimes, but no, they haven't yellowed, or the clear coat on top of them isn't chipping away, or neither is the writing on them. They really are an excellent product, and I cannot recommend them enough if you would like to take that step to further improve your interior. So yeah, they look brand new. They look the way they did when I first got them. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. Once again, I'm Jake from Northern Tesla. If you're interested in purchasing a Model S, 3, X, or Y from Tesla, make sure you use my referral link down below and you'll get 1,000 miles or 1,500 kilometers of free supercharging. Or if you want to purchase Tesla Solar, you'll get $100 cash reward back. And using my referral link doesn't only help you out, but it also helps me out, because I also get those free supercharging miles or kilometers, and I do plan on road tripping with my Model Y a lot, so those would come in very handy. And if you're interested in purchasing these white stock covers, TAAC actually gave me a discount code for you all. So if you enter Northern Tesla 10, all one word, Northern Tesla, lowercase, and then the number 10, then you'll get 10% off your order. So yeah, thank you so much, TAAC, for giving me this discount code that I could share with my viewers. It really means the world to me. A quick reminder, my schedule is changing to uploading almost every Friday. So from now on, my videos will be uploaded every Friday. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.